Hey guys, Shakrov here. How's it going? Today we are January 18th. Yes, and today's the release date of Panini Limited. So I decided to try a few packs. I have 4 of them. So let's see what happens with that. Klutz and Chara actually had midnight release yesterday. Well, this morning actually. So we will see how it's going. Start with pack number 1. I didn't really look at it, the release, because I was tired. I spent the last week in Austin, Texas, and on Monday I was in San Antonio for some swing dancing. Well, the Austin part was for swing dancing. I had a lot of fun. That was great. Awesome city. Now I came back in Montreal last night, and this morning I went outside. Almost fell like 16 times on ice. Got my first, you don't see me, got my first brain freeze due to cold winds, so I'm not in Texas anymore. That's the end of it. We start with pack number 1. Let me just put that, Klutz and Chara. Hey. Alright, so we start with an Eric Carlson base out of 299. We got a Dustin Brown base. 299 also. An Adam Graves, 299. Got our first hit. Got a rookie Phenoms auto, nice, numbered 48 of 299. Not a bad name, Adam Larson. Then we got a jersey numbered 10 out of 99 of Steve Yzerman. We got a jersey prime numbered 17 of 25. I apologize for that. 17 of 25, Henrik Zetterberg. And finally, we got a base. That's a gold spotlight, I would guess. Numbered 17 of 25 of Patrice Bergeron. That was the first pack. Up to pack number 2. Not much in that pack, honestly. At least the Larson's not bad. One of the good players to pull. One of the good rookies. The back seems really thick, which is a good sign. Alright, we got a Matthews Tedenby base out of 299. Andrew Ladd, 299. And Yvan Cournoyer out of 299. Then we got a rookie numbered out of 299 as well, Jonathan Blum. Rookie Phenoms. We got a trademark team jersey numbered out of 99 of Ryan Miller. Oh, that was a bad pack. Got a jersey prime numbered out of 19 of 19, really, of Vander Kane. And we got a crease cleaner insert out of 199 of Steve Mason. Terrible pack. Hopefully I'll hit something big in the last 2, because so far I am not impressed. Not impressed at all. Here we go, pack number 3. Starting with a David Backes base out of 299. Got a Jeremy Roenick spotlight out of 49. Got a Brendan Shanahan out of 299. Then we got a jumbo jersey numbered 13 of 49 of Ryan Clough. Oh, that's pretty. We got a jersey numbered out of 99 of Marc-Andre Fleury. We got a gold spotlight base numbered out of 25, Bernie Nichols. And a very nice hit. Jumbo, Jersey Prime, and Autograph. Numbered 17 of 25. Reverse jersey number. Evgeny Malkin. Very nice two-color jersey. Very nice auto. And fourth back. So far, I mean, the Malkin is nice, but other than that, I am not impressed. I always should have bought a case if I wanted something good, but you know, you sometimes expect good cards in smaller formats than a full case. Got a base of Dion Phaneuf out of 299. Dustin Brown again out of 299. And Adam Graves out of 299. We got a banner season jersey numbered 34 of 99 of Jordan Eberle. Honestly, that wasn't awful. Wow. We got a jersey out of 99 of Curtis Glencross. Got a crease cleaners insert of Cam Ward. Numbered out of 49. Spotlight. Yay. And we finish up with a Spotlight. Not a Spotlight. Rookie Phenoms numbered out of 299. At least not a bad name. Sean Couturier. Cooter. So that's it. Really enjoyed the design of the break. I'm here. Yeah, I enjoyed the design of the cards. Per pack, I don't think it's worth it. I mean, if I would have gotten something huge, I would have said otherwise. And quite honestly, that Malkin is very nice, but it's not close to being a huge hit. Got Cooter, got Larson, two very good rookies to get. One of the better ones in the possibilities. The others would have been like Landeskog, Otson, and Nugent Hopkins probably. Yeah, that's a fun break. I like it, but I probably will not be busting more of that because there are a lot of products coming out from Panini. There's Crown Royale. From Upper Deck, there's Spagoo, Spagamius. Then there's Heroes and Prospects at the end of February from In the Game. There's probably other things as well. So that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the break, and I will see you later in a few minutes with a special break. See you later.